YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Pepe coin holders, check it out, boys. Didn't I tell you that there was going to be a good chance that we could possibly see a breakout? Look at what we're creating right here. Nice cup and handle on the 4-hour, guys. Looks like we're seeing a awesome breakout actually also on this 2-hour chart. Hopefully we can maintain some of this price pump that we're seeing. As you guys could see today, Bitcoin coming in at 65,000. Boys, have we seen the bottom? Is it been in? Is it happened? Or do we still need to see more downside, guys? In my opinion, again, we talked about the fact that this is rounding out, right? This is looking like a good solid um it's looking like a good solid zone of accumulation. Again, guys, this bull flag is breaking out. It is breaking out. Let's go look at this cryptocurrency market cap too. As you can see, fear greed index today starting to tick back into the green. It was coming in at a 41 this morning, but as you could see, we saw a little bit of, we saw some craziness just in the past 24 hours, really. Bitcoin going totally wacky. People were thinking just earlier, we were dropping all the way down to these low ranges, even low as 62, right? We dropped down as low as 62. People think that we're going to drop down even lower, and Bitcoin decides it just wants to ramp its way up. This guy talking about how important this is in being the key determinant of the bull market. And we talked about the 64K range so much on the channel, but guys, we were even talking about more key ranges than that, right? How many weeks were we talking about that 58K to 60K range? I swear to you, like, guys, I was telling you that that's a possible bottom. Why was I saying that? Because if you go to our fear greed index right here, you could see we were trending in the orange right here, right? It was a good time to be historically dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, as you could see from the all-time chart right here. We were heavily sold. We were also creating this falling wedge right here. So in my opinion, I do think that Bitcoin is starting to see the recovery it needs. Until otherwise, it's looking solid, boys. Again, I believe that the trend is your friend, and so that's why I always give you my honest opinion on the markets and what's going on. Again, a lot of things pumping right now, including Pepe coin. Pepe coin coming in at a $76 million market cap, guys. I was talking about this just last week. It was at like a 40 million market, like around $40 million market cap, guys. And I was telling you guys that the fact that, right, hadn't we had created that same pattern so many times? Like, we created that pattern so many times with Pepe coin right here. We created it, this falling wedge right here. We also ran up right here, created a bull flag, created this falling wedge right here. And then look, shoulder, head, shoulder, dumps, created a wedge, wanted to pump, faked out. But look, again, starting to cup and handle. This chart's starting to round out. I'm liking this recovery on the 3-day. I'm liking it on the 1-day again, too. Looking like almost clear sailing, boys. Again, we're butting up against some key resistance right here, but if we can manage to break out of this, guys, again, we can make it a lot more than 15% in the past 24 hours. We can see this thing pump in a big way. Again, maybe we could reclaim some of those market caps that we had in the past with Pepe coin. This thing can have, again, a significant upside, and that's what I've been looking for. I've been looking for these coins that have a good holder count and that can have a significant upside. Let's see just how much upside we can possibly see if this thing wants to hit a new all-time high, right? It looks like its all-time high was somewhere around 150 million. So again, this thing can still double, and I think again, if it could manage to retest some of these levels, it will definitely rip up to a new all-time high, in my opinion. Again, it's just my opinion. That's just a prediction. Um, and we'll kind of see how the chart plays out. But again, we've created this pattern. Boom, this wedge right here, this wedge right here, right? We've had this little breakdown. But look, we're also starting to create some new all-time high, or some new higher lows. We were concerned about possible head and shoulders here, but it looks like it wants to possibly break up. Looking like we want a cup and handle on the 1 month. So we'll see what happens, boys. What are your price predictions for Pepe? It seems like a lot of people still bullish on this project. Again, 90% in the community bullish on it. 10% not feeling so good about it. But what do you think, guys? Do you guys think that Pepe coin can be the next big cryptocurrency. Again, this coin is listed on a lot of big exchanges, and that's why I'm interested in it. Exchanges like Gate.io, MXC, Bitmart. Um, you know, it's hot. So, can we see this listed on more exchanges? Can this get listed on crypto.com? Can this get listed on Binance? Maybe, possibly in the future, right? We talked about the fact that, these exchanges were accumulating. And that's, again, what I look at too, that other YouTubers are not looking at. What are the exchanges buying? What are exchanges picking up right now? What are they listing? Guys, if you guys want that kind of information, like exchanges and stuff like that, new listings, if you guys want to catch these coins before they list on the exchange, I would suggest you hit that subscribe button. But also, guys, I have a Telegram. It's a free resource to you. All you got to do to be a part of that Telegram is show some support by sharing this video over on Twitter at JTalksCrypto, and I will pick you to come trade in my private Telegram. Guys, I'm going to do it for every person that shares this video over on Telegram and tags me. We're doing it for everybody on this video. I don't do that very often. Usually it's just a set amount of people, boys. But for everybody that does it on this video only, I'm going to let you guys join that Telegram. So again, guys, make sure you do that. And also let me know your price predictions again on Pepe coin. Do you think that this thing can see a new all-time high? Do you think that this thing could be trending again on Dex Tools? We've seen it trending a lot, right? I do think that if this thing could break out, it could gain enough interest to possibly be trending again in the top 10. I don't think that that would be a far off statement because, again, a lot of eyes have been on this. A lot of big cryptocurrency YouTubers have been talking about this. And again, it's listed now on some really big exchanges, which makes me feel very confident about the project. Again, you always have to do your own research on these things, guys. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile, and this video is not made for financial advice. Also, my Telegram group is not made for financial advice. All the projects that are in there, guys, you got to do your own research. Dex Tools provides audits, but I would do as much research as you guys can. I mean, usually the website should have an audit. Even do your research on the company that is providing the audit, guys. Always do your own research. Always, always. And I will always help you guys do that research too. I have plenty of tutorial videos on how to use Dex Tools, on how to use, how to look through these audits and stuff like that, even on how to look through contracts. Guys, I'm telling you, in this bull cycle, if you do not know how to do this, do not even get involved in meme coins, honestly, because you're going to get scammed. You're going to get wrecked. You're not going to be paying attention to very important things like the amount of holders that are holding the top amount of the supply. Like, imagine, like, Pepe coin only has 20% of their top holders holding the supply. Granted, a lot of it is exchanges, but what if this was 50% of the total supply was held by these top wallets, and these guys could dump at you at any time, guys? That is that is what you call a rug pull, guys. I see it happen all the time. You could also see what's called a slow rug, when it'll be one wallet that is moving a lot of money into other wallets, and then slowly those wallets are selling off, so it doesn't look like, one wallet just, again, pulled the rug. It's a slow rug. It's a bunch of wallets that are really that are bots, really, that are selling off all at the same time. So again, guys, that's what we teach you guys. We teach you guys how to track these bots. Look, we could track these bots over here on Dex Tools. Right on the side, it'll tell us, is it a bot or smart contract? Wow, we could track these wallets. We could see exactly how many transactions are going in and out of them. So you could see this one had 62,000 transactions. We could see how much money they have in their wallet right here. They have 12,000. You could see also how many coins that they're holding. You could see how much supply of your coin they're holding too. And somebody asked me, actually, in my Telegram before I cut this video, just dropping massive gems, guys. Somebody asked me how to check the P&L of some of these guys, profit and loss, right, to see how much, and to see unrealized. You could do it just by hovering over this right here. You could see their P&L, as well as you could see their unrealized gains too, how much of the coin that they're still holding. So those are all really important things that you want to know, guys. You want to know bots. You want to know who's in the trade with you. You want to know also how much of the supply that they're holding, how often they're selling, right? You could see how much times that they've sold, how many sell transactions they have, as well as how many buy transactions that they've had. So all super important things, guys. Checking contracts is important. Audits are important. It's all important, guys. I help you guys the best I can. Again, share this video over on Twitter. Join my Telegram. I'd love to meet you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.